and welcome to our mind-body section. So this is all about getting your breath work moving with your body. So we're going to do some Tai Chi inspired movements. So we're going to start by inhaling our arms up to a big circle and exhaling down. Inhaling up, big circle forward, exhaling down. One more time, inhale up, and exhale down. Little bend in the knees. Let's try it one more time. Inhale up, get a little bend in the knees, exhale down. Now we're going to step open. Bend the knees, hands go up, and exhale down. This is called opening the door. Inhale up, knees bend slightly, and exhale down. Keep that breath moving with your breath. So your body's moving with your breath. Now we're going to inhale, we're going to open the arms and circle it around. Each side, just open. And exhale with a little bend in the knees, circle the moon, and open. Bring it in, circle the moon, and open. Keep this going just a couple times. Follow along with your breath. So now we're coming here and we're going to take a step forward. We're going to push and then pull. My toes going up for the pull, push, and pull. Even if you need to close your eyes for a little bit to really just feel this motion, feel your body and your breath moving together. And then I'm going to move it to the other side. Push and pull. For the purpose of this, don't get too caught up in the technique. I just really want to get that breath and that body motion happening at the same time. Back to the other side. Now we're going to bring our arms up and big circle down. Almost like you're doing big, enormous arm circles. Open and closed. Open and close, big circles. Moving to the other side. Big circle. And open it up. We're going to go to the other side again. This time we're going to reverse it. So we're going to come down and open big. Come down and open big. So now we're going down and up and open. Switch to the other side. Down and up and open. Down and up and open. You got it. And back to center. Now we're just going to take our hands and we're going to sway them open and sway them to the other side. Sway them to one side. Notice I come up on my toes. Sway to one side and sway to the other. We're going to add on to this. So when we sway back, you're going to come up and hold. We're going to sway to the other side, up and hold. To the other side. And if you don't get this completely right, that's okay. It's all about moving your body and your breath at the same time. One more time. And let's go back to just swaying the arms, but this time we're going down and to the side. Down and to the side. Down and to the side. Coming back to center. Widen your stance, nice and wide, toes are pointed out. We're going to inhale, arms overhead. Hands come to center. Exhale, knees over toes, as low as you can get. Hold. Inhale up. Exhale, down. Inhale up. And exhale, down. All the way as low as you can get. Let's get those hands moving more. Instead of going up and down, now we're making big front circles. So they're coming down the center of the body as low as you can get. Then we're going to inhale them forward in a big circle. A couple more of these here. Bringing it down. And bringing it right back up. Bringing it down. And bringing it right back up. One more time. Awesome job. Now let's sway left and right on our feet. Just swaying back and forth. Let your body move with the sway. Kind of let it all go. Maybe close your eyes and let your head and neck and your arms just go along with the motion. I want you to envision the connection of your feet to the floor. Just notice how the feet feel. Notice the difference between the right and the left foot. Maybe you have more contact with certain toes than the other side. And then open your eyes. Inhale, arms in a circle, one arm above the other. And then rotate that ball. We're going to open up all the way. Come back to a circle. Open up all the way. Come back to the circle. Just a couple more times of this. Inhale and exhale. Make that ball. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale.